Hello everyone, we're back for the March challenge of my 12-month self-care plan that I initiated in December, and I'll link it above. If you still want to hop on for having a year with a focus of taking good care of yourself, it's still time to hop on. You can download the self-care plan for free and just join us. My March topic is move your body. And as that is our focus, I'm taking you out for a beautiful walk today on this very cold spring day. I would recommend that you join me. Either you watch and get inspired of planning your walk outside, or you simply put on your coat now and step outside and walk with me on this beautiful day. I don't want to be talking about a specific topic today, just about the encouragement of really moving your body, going outside, no matter where you live and what the weather is. Just walk, feel your body with full awareness. Feel your breath, the air, the wind, and take this time to be with yourself, slow down, enjoy the present moment. This time is for you to recharge your batteries. And at the same time, you're moving the body, which is really healthy. It's beautiful, but it's really cold here today and windy. And gorgeous because spring is in the air. It feels so good just to walk outside. I can actually feel how, even though I'm walking, my whole body relaxes. My breath is deeper. My mind gets more empty, and that is a good thing. And there are long moments where I think absolutely nothing. I'm just walking and enjoying the outdoors. enjoying the present moment without anything that needs to be done now, without any worries, just being here, enjoying the beautiful nature on this lovely spring day. So many times when I'm out here watching the ducks or the goose or the swans, I see, well, with swans you can't see it, but with the ducks you so often see two guys and one girl. What's going on? I'm curious to know what's going on. But my favorite, well, that's hard to say, but goose, are definitely among my favorite. I just love the way that they constantly chat, and sometimes it sounds like they're bitching about something. Let me try and sneak up on two of them. No bitching today for them. I think they mistrusted me. I'd love to know if you're going outside walking with me. What's it like where you're walking? What do you see? What do you love? How does it feel? What's the weather like? Is it cold? Is it warm? It's very cold still here, even though it's beautiful blue skies. My hand is freezing, holding the phone. Even if you only walk 10 minutes a day, it can make a huge difference for your health, your mental health, but also your body. Whether you walk or you choose another way of movement for you, that is up to you. But I thought I wanted to invite you to walk outside, because there's so many benefits to walking outside for mental health, aside of also moving the body. And then no matter where we live, usually there is beautiful places everywhere. And walking under open sky frees the mind from all that thinking and worrying and whatever else is going on in that upper floor. Seeing all of these geese, I don't remember the right way to say it. I hope you forgive me. I think it's geese. Goose? Seeing all of these geese snacking away I'm ready for some lunch as well. Thank you so much for walking with me. I hope I was able to inspire you to step outside. Let me know in the comments if you're in for a form of movement in the month of March. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon.